Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. As part of integrals, we are solving indefinite integral problems. Let's look at this example. Very interesting example. We have been given to find out integral of x power 1 by 2 dx divided by 1 plus x whole to the power of 3 by 4. We have to find out the integration of this. So the first step to solve this problem, we see denominator in the form of a square plus x square, and we know that if we are able to write it in the form of 1 by a square plus x square, we should be able to solve the problem. So let's go ahead and write down first step, x power 3 by 8 equals to t, so that our next step will be integral of x power 1 by 2, I will leave it as it is, dx divided by 1 plus 1 square plus x to the power of 3 by 8 whole square, or we can write down 1 plus x power 3 by 8 whole square. Now let's try to differentiate. What we will have, 3 by 8 into x to the power of 3 by 8 minus 1 dx equals to dt. Can I simplify that and write down 3 by 8 into x power minus 5 by 8 dx equals to dt, or can I say dx equals to 8 by 3 x power 5 by 8 into dt. Now first we'll try to write it in n, then we will change it into t's. So I'll write down next step will be equal to x power 1 by 2 dx is 8 by 3 will come out, x power 5 by 8 into dt divided by 1 plus x power 3 by 8 whole square is t square. Now let's go to the next step, that is 8 by 3 integral of x power 1 by 2 plus 5 by 8, that is x power 9 by 8 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Now we have to write x power 9 by 8 in terms of t. So can I go ahead and write down 8 by 3 integral of x power 3 by 8 whole cube, that is 9 by 8, it's nothing but t cube divided by 1 plus t square. Now once it is t cube divided by 1 plus t square, we know numerator degree is more than the denominator, so we can divide it and we can write it down. Let us see what will happen if I divide t cube with 1 plus t square or t square plus 1. T square will go t times t into t square plus 1, that is t cube plus t. I have minus minus cancel, I get minus t. So that's next step we can write is equal to 8 by 3 integral of, that's nothing but t minus t by 1 plus t square. Let's go to the next step. Now we separated them, 8 by 3 into t here, 8 by 3 into t by 1 plus t square. This is straightforward. Integral of t is t square by 2, and we know t equal to x power 3 by 8 according to us. That's how we started. T equals to x power 3 by 8, then t square will be x power 3 by 4. Now the first part we can do pretty easily, so we can write down 8 by 3 integral of t is t square by 2. So can I write down 8 by 3 into t square by 2 minus, now coming to here we have t by 1 plus t square. So let us take 1 plus t square equals to some u, then you will have 2t dt equals to du, or can I say t dt equals to half du? Let's come back and substitute here. We have minus 8 by 3 into 1 by 2. Integral of t dt is half du. So du divided by 1 plus t square, which is equals to u. In the next step, we will write down 8 by 3 into 1 by 2 is 4 by 3. T square minus 8 by 3 into 1 by 2 is 4 by 3. Integral of du by u is log of u plus c. Now what is 4 by 3 into t square? T square is x power 3 by 4. X power 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3 log of u. U is 1 plus t square and t square is x power 3 by 4. So can I write down 1 plus x to the power of 3 by 4 plus c, or can we take 4 by 3 common and write down x to the power of 3 by 4 minus log 1 plus x to the power of 3 by 4 plus c. So that's how we can solve integral of x square by 1 plus x whole to the power of 3 by 4. So to start with, summarize, x to the power of 3 by 4 can be written as x power 3 by 8 whole square. We have taken x power 3 by 8 equals to t. We converted everything into dt by finding out dx and writing it in terms of dt. We got t cube by 1 plus t square. Then we understood that since the denominator degree is less than the numerator, or numerator degree is more than the denominator, we can divide by long division and we can write it as t minus t by 1 plus t square. Now we separated the integrals. For one we know it is t square by 2, and the other one it is of the form of half log of 1 plus t square, but t square is x power 3 by 8, x power 3 by 4. So answer is 4 by 3 into x power 3 by 4 minus log of 1 plus x whole to the power of 3 by 4 plus c.